So this is the login and register program. Then this defines a function called login that checks a username and password. So while true, it starts a loop that asks the user to enter a username and password. If the entered username and password match the registered ones, it login succeeds and the loop ends. Otherwise, it asks again. Then we will define the register function and sets up a limit for password mistakes, 3. Starts a loop for registration asking for full name, username, and user type. This defines special characters that the password must include. Then it checks the user type is valid and asks for a password. And this is the validation checker. It checks if the password meets rules, at least 8 characters. It also has lowercase and uppercase letters, and the password contains a number. The password also contains a special character. If a rule fails, it increases attempt and asks the user again. Then this area, it asks the user to retype the password. If it matches, account is created and login is called. Otherwise, ask again. Then if user type is not user or admin, it asks the user again. Then we will define the initialization. Starts the program by calling register function. Six, 7, 8. Account successfully created. If you type the same username and same password, you will log in successfully.